Hey, condo owners, aren't you sick and tired of that ever-rising condo fees? Condo maintenance fees are out of control. Did you know that you can get rid of the condo fees forever without breaking the bank by moving to a freehold semi or even detached home? Enjoy more living space and additional bedroom for office or guest room? Enjoy your backyard to do barbecue with friends and gardening, get a finished basement for kids play area or man cave, and get a garage to store your car, kids bike and tools. You may think because of the high interest rates it's impossible, but it's quite the opposite. Because of high interest rates, freehold house prices, detached or semi, got historically close to condo prices, and because of higher inflation rates, condo fees gone up significantly. Here's how we can help you do it. We show you how to convert your current monthly condo fees to an equivalent mortgage amount. Then we provide you with a free evaluation of your condo and, more importantly, how much you net from it. Using the equity left from the sale of your condo and additional mortgage amount from ditching your condo fees, you can move to a free home with often less than $15 a day or less than $450 a month. Come on, people spend more than that to eat out and order food delivery. You can do this. Press the green button below to discover more and free yourself from the condo fees forever. But you need to hurry up. The window of opportunity closes really fast. Once the interest rates start going down, the gap between the freehold and condo widens and opportunity is gone forever. You need to act now. This will be the most important call you ever make. Your family will appreciate it. You will be so happy you did. Press the green button and start now. Still feeling skeptical? I completely understand. We have done the math. We can show it to you. We have done this for our clients. See the testimonial below. Let us show you how. Book a free call. Press the green button below to free yourself in a free discovery call. You will be so happy you did.